Welcome to my channel Learning with Kashish. Today we are going to cover one more video on numbers. So let's revise first what we have learned earlier. We have learned 1 to 100 and plus 1000. So let's see what we say for 1 to 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 20. 20. Okay, 20. This is 20. I forgot to write. 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 600. Okay, 600, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, and then CN 100. When we want to write those CN 200, then we will say those ciento, those ciento. So, and if we want to write 101, then we will, I'm sorry, I have a kid, so he's disturbing me little bit. If I want to write 101, I will write ciento uno, ciento uno, ciento dos. Okay, 101, 102, 112, ciento doce. This is similarly like that. But if I want to write 123, then ciento, let me write here, 123. Then how do we write? Ciento 20. 20. I told you, you have to drop this E. 23. Okay, we write like this, na, 21, 22, 23. Pero if I want to write 134, I will write ciento 30, 30, 30 y 4. Okay, from 129, 132 further we will write like this only. E we will use. So remember all these. Okay, then I will tell you what is 1000 is meal, 10,000 is 10 meal. Okay, 100,000, 100 meal. Then this is 1000. 1000 is 10 lakh means millones, but we write this in a different way in Spanish. I will give you one example complete and you will get to understand this. Now I will explain a bigger number till 10 lakh. Okay, so remember this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When we write 500, then it will be quinientos. Quinientos. Okay, quinientos. This is, you have to remember that it is not like 40. 40 is 40. Okay, 400 is 400, but 500 is not 500. It is 500. Then seiscientos, seiscientos. Then siete, siete. We have to remember that siete is also not siete cientos, it is siete cientos. Say 700 will be siete cientos, it is siete cientos. So we have to remember this also, we should not write it siete cientos, this will be wrong. Okay, then ocho cientos, this is completely same. Then nueve cientos is also wrong, it is noveciento, noveciento. That's why I have chosen this 9, then 99, then 999, then 1000, then 10,000, okay, and then I will tell you how to write this till 10 lakh. So you all know what is 9. 9 is nueve, N-U-E-V-A, nueve. Then 99 is noventa y nueve. Then 999 is noveciento, 900. They will say 900, then noventa y nueve. They will say like this, 900 plus 99 is noveciento noventa y nueve. Then 9,999 will be nueve mil. Okay, nueve mil, and then this one again you copy from here, nueve mil noveciento noventa y nueve. See, I have written the same. Then 99,999 will be noventa y nueve. They have written this first, and mil, it is 99,999. They are saying 99,000. Okay, 99,000 plus 999 is this one. This is how they will say. Then 999 will be novecientos noventa y nueve mil. This one they have taken novecientos noventa y nueve mil, then novecientos noventa y nueve. This one again, because this is 2 times. So here it will mil. 999,999 ऐसे करके, this is how. Then this is in lakh, 9 lakh, 909, 9 lakh, 9,900 something. It will be how we will write this. How we will write this? 9, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So first we will write nueve. This is milones. I told you lakh is milones. Milones. Then noventa, no, nueve milones, novecientos noventa y nueve. We are writing this one, then it will be mil. Okay, nueve milones, novecientos noventa y nueve mil. Again, novecientos noventa y nueve. I hope I am able to make you understand with this example. Nueve, noventa y nueve, novecientos noventa y nueve, 9,999, then 99,999, then 999,999, then here it will be milones, 9,999 mil, then 999. This is how we write the bigger number in Spanish. Okay, this is one example I have given. I hope it is clear to you. It is little confusing. You have to make it little clear. I will put a picture of that and you can copy that. Now we will practice on this few 2-3 numbers. Like if I want to say 545, then we will write quinientos means 500 plus 45. 45 will be 45. Okay, so this is how we write it. If I want to write 595, then you write first 500 and then 95. Quinientos 95. Okay, this is how we write. Okay, similarly for other numbers, for example, if I am writing 743, then we will write 700 first, then 43. Then what is 700? Setecientos. It is not siete cientos. Okay, setecientos 43. Okay, similarly if I want to write 792, then 700 is setecientos 92. Okay, similarly you can write for 900 also. 900, we will write for example 920, then we will write 900. First we will write 900 and we write 20 because it is 900 plus 20. How do we write 925? Similarly 900. Okay, what is 20? And I said this, remove this 25. There will be no space. Like if you want to write 935, then you will write 935. Okay, but when we are writing 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, we will not give space. Okay, so I hope I am able to make you understand how we write. Just revising it, you have to remember 500 quinientos, and then 900 900, 700 setecientos. Rest whenever you are writing any of the cientos, any of the 100, like cien is 100, then dos cientos. Okay, so it is 2, then 3 cientos, then it is 3, 4 cientos. Okay, but if it is 4, but when it comes to 500, it will be 500. Okay, so that's why I told you have to remember this, otherwise we will add cientos and dos, tres, cuatro, and cinco you can't add, then 600 is also same, but in 700 it will be 700. Okay, and 800 is 800, and 900 again I told you 900. So you have to remember these three, that while writing you have to remember this, because most of the mistake people do here. Okay, let me write one table and I will take. Finally we are revising. I have made a table for you, that is for cinco. 555, 555, 5555. See, I am writing like that. Then 55,000. Okay, first they have written this, then 555. Then they will write first this 555,000. 555. Okay, so this is how. Then this they will write first 5,555,555. This is so big. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope I am able to make you understand these numbers. If you have any doubt, you can message me, you can ask me in the comment section. If you like my video and you like the way I explain, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.